As I stretch out her wing here, this doesn't hurt her. I'm not pulling on her or anything terribly. I'm holding onto the actual wing part and the feathers are extended. You'll see those dark feathers there, those are her primary feathers. And then these lighter feathers that are sticking out in the back are her secondary feathers. We're only gonna be cutting these primary feathers. See these short feathers that stick out right here? That's our stop line. Okay, so we wanna stay away from that. This does not hurt the chicken, it's just like giving them a haircut. The other thing you wanna keep in mind is you only wanna do one wing. That will keep them off balance so that they don't just try really, really hard with short wings and still make it over the fence. So again, I've got my fingers around the actual meat part of her wing so that I can't possibly clip her. And then I'm just gonna cut through these feathers. And again, it's just like giving her a haircut. It's not hurting her. So once I've done that, the other wing is long, this one is short. So when she tries to fly up over the fence, she shouldn't be able to get airlift.